It was a sunny day in Canada and Mark was busy preparing his taxes. He had been a non-resident of Canada for the past few years and was now required to file his rental income tax returns for Section 216. Mark had been living abroad for a few years and had rented out his home in Canada while he was away. He had heard about the new rental income tax filing requirements for Section 216, but had not yet had the time to look into it. Mark had done his research and knew that he was required to file a return for his rental income. He was also aware that he would need to report his rental income separately from his other income. He would also need to report any expenses related to his rental property, such as mortgage interest, insurance, repairs, and property taxes. Mark was a bit overwhelmed by the process, but he was determined to complete his taxes accurately and on time. He was also relieved to know that there were resources available to help him with the filing process. Mark contacted us at the Accounting and Tax as we are experts for Section 216 tax filings. We provided Mark with the necessary forms and instructions to complete his return. We also offered to review Mark's return and answer any questions he had. Mark was grateful for the help and guidance he received. He was able to complete his return accurately and on time. He was relieved to know that he had met all of the rental income tax filing requirements for Section 216. Mark was now able to focus on his other financial goals and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with being a responsible taxpayer. Visit our website or call us for any questions.